In this 60-second video, witness the massive Liebherr R9400 excavator in action on an Australian mining site. This powerhouse machine showcases its impressive capabilities as it digs, loads, and maneuvers with precision. Watch as the R9400 effortlessly tackles tough terrain, demonstrating its immense power and advanced technology. Marvel at the seamless operation, highlighting the skilled operators behind the controls. With stunning visuals and dynamic angles, experience the scale and efficiency of one of the world's largest excavators in real time. Don't miss the chance to see heavy machinery engineering at its finest.